A very good morning. It's Mark here. It is Monday, February the 24th, going on 8 a.m. Eastern. That'll be almost 1 p.m. GMT. US session about to get underway. Let's see how the markets stand going into this last week of February, starting on the US dollar index. I had drawn in this Fibonacci retracement tool, and interesting to see how the first fib retracement level at 106.10, bear in mind, there is the preceding uptrend. There has been a turnaround, a sell-off in the US dollar, downtrend in the US dollar, was looking to see how far it can go, and that's what the fib retracement tool does shows us when we get this turnaround, when we get this retracement, how strong it is, how strong the reversal is, and the first level that the sellers have to deal with, that the turnaround has to deal with, would be the 38.2%. And there it is at 106.12. And sure enough, look where it bounced up off. Exactly at that fib retracement level, the 38.2%, the 106.12. And US dollar is fighting back a little bit today. Let's see if that can continue once the US session gets underway. Sellers, of course, will be looking to break below that 106 level again. Buyers looking to continue this early rally that we're seeing, 106.59, and be looking for that 107 level on the upside. Let's have a look at S&P. Bear in mind that at 8 a.m., we're still an hour and a half away from Wall Street opening. So this is pre-market trading, pre-market conditions, and you can see a gap up to start the week. Support 6,021, a very big sell-off we had on Friday. A gap up to start this trading week, 6,048, and that's kind of where we're sitting right now. Sellers, of course, will be looking at testing this 6,000 level again. Buyers looking a little bit higher than where we are right now and looking to test 6,100 on the upside. Gold. Gold strong again. To open the week, came down that little bit. There was a little bit of a sell-off all the way down to 2,919. I guess to be expected, a natural retracement in such a strong uptrend, some profit taking. However, buyers stepped right back in, and from the open price at 2,936, after testing slightly lower, again sitting at 2,946, looking at the resistance of 2,951. We have an all-time high, 2,954. I see demand continuing. I see the uptrend continuing. It's a matter of looking for opportune times on our shorter time frames to join this uptrend. Still looking really, really strong going into the new week. That's gold. Let's have a look at Brent oil. Last week, a real big sell-off. You can see that on Friday, all the way down to support at 73.70. Very slight gap up to start the week, but pretty much hanging around that support area at 73.80. Buyers, of course, will be looking to test perhaps 74. It's already been up there today, come back down already. Small body, little wick up there. Like I say, 74.28. Sellers will be certainly looking to test the support at 73.80 to come down to 73, whereas buyers are going to look to maintain above that $74 level. And then Bitcoin. Buyers still down, another red candle so far to start the week. Open price 96,262 has already been as low as 95,000. So pretty much trading between the 95 and 96,000 area. But yes, I did draw in this loosely formed descending trend line where it has tested above, but got certainly sellers stepped right in when it came above this descending trend line and been hanging around there for the last couple of days. But like I say, bias is down, trend is down for now. The levels to look for, buyers are looking above 96,000, 97,000. That's where buyers are going to be looking to establish some kind of an uptrend and trade above this descending trend line. Sellers, the lower 90,000s, looking below where we are now, 95, looking for 94, 93. You see all the wicks over the past couple of weeks, meaning when sellers do get down to that level, buyers do step in. There is demand at those prices and has pretty much hung around between the 94 on the downside and 97 on the upside. That's been the range for the past few weeks. Let's see if either buyers or sellers can establish a new trend going into the new week. Good trading. I will see you at the end of the session.